I've got your feathers.
Wonderful. If you're in need of coin, just bring me more.
Pay me twice, maybe 3 times as much, and we've got a deal.
You must be mad. I'll not give you that.
Harpies have become rare in this area.
So be it. I shall pay you more.
More harpy feathers, just like you wanted.
I need a few more feathers.
Who is it that needs them? You or this collector?
But he does, of course.
I've got some more feathers. Sleek and untattered. I hope that'll do it.
I look at them and select the finest. There's your payment, with a small bonus. Yes, you're beautiful, my queen, my lady. You're a wondrous sight. All in your nest envy you.
I don't need this feather. Please take it. Pretty warm for this time of year. I shudder to even think about it. I want you to have this feather. I have no use for it.
It's immensely important.
Well, I guess I don't know much about collections.